hello, hi if you're new here, welcome. My name is Fiona and it's so lovely to meet you all. So today I have a huge homeware goodie haul, some cleaning bits, some homeware styling bits and all the essential buys that are bargain buys for your home. So if you haven't already heard of Cherryz, Cherryz is a homeware bargain store just like B&M, Poundland, Home Bargains, where you can get all your essential buys, all your essential household products via the app or online, and it gets delivered straight to your door, saving you time out of your busy schedule. So Cherryz have actually kindly sent me out these goodies to show you all the new in home bits as well, so you can basically shop all your homeware styling essentials that are listed every single week and shop through them to style up your home and make it more decorative. With especially Easter coming up, they have loads of Easter goodies on there, so it's really exciting for Cherryz, and I'm excited to show you all the goodies that I have in this video and all the homeware pieces that are absolutely essential. So if you're excited for this haul, then please smash it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more homeware related videos as well. I love filming homeware related videos. I'm absolutely obsessed with my new HomeSense storage poof that I bought the other day in my last vlog. So if you haven't already seen that, then go check that out. I'll link it down below my previous video. But apart from that, let's get straight in to today's video, which is a huge Cherryz homeware haul, and also I want to show you a really exciting buy that I bought on Facebook Marketplace at the end of this video. So yeah, let's get straight on into this haul and showing you all the goodies that I picked up personally from Cherryz. So I thought I'd show you this huge box first from Cherryz, and actually I did buy part of this haul with my own money because I am obsessed with Cherryz. I love shopping on their app. You can also use my code, which I'll put on the screen now, which will give you a percentage off your first Cherryz order. So yeah, I put some money towards some bits and bobs because I absolutely love Cherryz and getting my essentials from here. It's delivered straight to your door and with next day fast delivery. So many goodies in here to go through with you all. So I'm gonna pop this on the floor. Ooh, heavy box. I know this isn't homeware related, but I love iced coffee when the temperature slightly rises. So I've got some Mocha Gold, which I love this brand as well if you haven't already tried their lattes. They're like caramel lattes. This is the iced coffee by Mocha Gold and it's in the flavour caramel. And oh my god, I picked up two of these because they just look so yummy, especially with, like I said, the weather picking up. It's a lovely sunny day today as well, and with Easter coming around the corner, it's nice just to have that iced coffee in hand to cool yourself down. I mean, we're getting a bit ahead of ourselves, Fiona. It's not summer, but I do like an iced coffee, so I had to pick up these essentials. And then I think the only other thing that I picked up that wasn't not homeware related was these skinny bars. These skinny bars are 99 calories and they are in the flavour toffee and chocolates. So yeah, they're the skinny whip bars. They're really nice just to snack on, and yeah, these are amazing when I go to my local like homeware store or on Cherryz. I pick them up because they're just so essential to have in your cupboards, and they're only 99 calories. Can't go wrong. So let's get on into the good stuff. I love the Lenore fabric conditioners, the Lenore Love. So this is a large pack. This is a 182 litre and it's the Lenore Exotic Bloom. I absolutely love the smell of this. It is just dreamy. Me and Shane love this one. Oh, I think this has to be my favourite one. But the Lenore fabric conditioners are just so dreamy. So this is the Lenore Love. I love this scent. It literally makes your clothes smell absolutely insane. It smells like a really strong perfume. That's a really obvious thing to say, but a very familiar scent to Midnight Fantasy by Britney Spears. Like, I love it. It's so lovely. So I picked up the larger pack of that one. And then we also really love the Lenore Chic. So this is the Gold Orchid Chic. I just love these scents so much. And then I think there's one other one that we really adore. Oh, yeah, this one's so much more fresher. This one smells like a vanilla honey type of like yogurt. But I really love the scent of this. These two are my absolute favourite fabric conditioners for making your clothes smell unreal, so dreamy. So yeah, picked up and stocked up on my Lenore because I love these scents so much. So of course, after picking up the Lenore fabric conditioner, I went ahead and got the Lenore In Wash Scent Booster, which is also in the scent Exotic Bloom Love. I love how you can just squeeze these and smell them. Yeah, so I picked up these like sort of Unstoppables type of thing, scent boosters. I'm really excited to try these out. That will make my clothes smell 10 times more fragrance, which I'm excited to. And I've picked up these before in my last Cherryz haul, which is the ENQUIRIES, which is the Fuchsia and Pearls. Also smells really, really dreamy. Yeah, really, really dreamy. I love smelling good. Speaking of smelling good as well, Cherryz has such a lovely selection of diffusers and candles. I've picked up their candles from there before. I just love everything on Cherryz. They have such a good selection with new added lines coming in every single week. So I picked up this perfume diffuser in the scent Ocean. I was really indecisive which one to pick because there were so many different scents to choose from. I think I was stuck between Ocean and like French vanilla or something. So I'm going to open this up, give it a little smell. So you've got the diffuser sticks. So once you're inside, you have the perfume diffuser, which is Ocean, and then you have the scent sticks in there as well. I think I'm going to have to unwrap it to smell it. That's on there tough, guys. I'm gonna have to update you with how this smells, but it really looks like really chic. Like this in your bathroom with the obviously the sticks in it would look so chic with a candle next to it, all the bliss vibes, and yeah, it looks so aesthetic. I love that about Cherryz. They have some really aesthetic candles and perfume diffusers on their app. I also picked up the Vanish Oxy Advanced Crystal White Chlorine-Free Whitening Booster because Shane gets stains on literally everything. So yeah, this is really helping to keep your whites live for longer. Pretty self-explanatory. Anti-washing makes your whites brighter, so that's always really handy to have. And then I also got some toothpaste because we're always running low or we have too much. So this is the Max White Sparkle Diamonds for 10 times longer lasting cooling refreshness. So yeah, always need an essential. So if you're thinking that you're running out of toothpaste, pop it into your basket because you won't regret it. Along with the cleaning essentials, I picked up a new Minky cloth. So this is the antibacterial kitchen pad. I love the texture and the design on here as well. This is just a bit of me. This sort of grey, white vibe. So yeah, Minkies, oh my god, it's so cute, with the one side being more of like a fur and then the other side being more like a smooth. So love the design on that Minky. So I picked one of them up. They're really, really good just for being a high density microfiber cloth that's so easy to clean with. I think I got like a Valentine's Day one last time. But yeah, really, really cute design. This is like my everyday kitchen design inspo. So with that, I also picked up 2 jumbo tea towels, which are also this grey and sort of white crisscross. So get 2 tea towels in here. You can never go wrong with tea towel. And yeah, I really like the design on there. Just simple, chic. Love that as a bit of me. And then along with that, I also picked up a baking tray. I know, you can get baking trays on Cherryz as well. So this is a 32cm baking tray. Just put some bits and bobs in it like jack potato. Whack it in the oven because I bought one from Asda. And I picked this up because I bought one from Asda and it's too big for the oven, so it only goes in like the bottom shelf, and obviously nothing really cooks on the bottom shelf. So I picked up the smaller one, just like, I feel like you can never have enough trays for baking potatoes, and just sort of my tray because anyone else has this like family feud where they just don't put the foil on it and they leave it, and like, why don't you just put it in the bin and put a fresh one on for the next person? So this is going to be my baking tray. I know, that's what it's like in my family. They don't take the foil off the baking tray. So yeah, I picked up a new clean baking tray. It's my baking tray, and it's going to fit nicely into the oven just for like jack potatoes and bits and bobs, and maybe Easter cooking, with Easter coming around the corner. So with the launch of the Cherryz homeware range expanding, I was really excited to try out their homeware pieces. I did actually order the wire vase, which is like, you know, the wire ones that are like freestanding, and they're really cute to have pampas grass in it, but it was out of stock. And also I really fancied this two-tone flower vase, which is really, really lovely. Like, it was a beige on the bottom, white on the top, but unfortunately that was out of stock as well. But I also found this caught my eye. This is a luxury woven chenille throw, which is 127 times 152 approximately. So a really, really nice throw, again new to their homeware collection. It's got this beautiful frill on the bottom. It is sort of like a dusty pink, and you have a lovely like crosshatch feature all over the throw as well. I thought it was a really nice throw just to snuggle up with, and it was so cute, and a part of their new in arrivals with their homeware range expanding. So they will list new homeware pieces every single week, which is really exciting. And this is the last thing I picked up, a really, really nice luxury woven chenille throw. You can't go wrong. I love throws. So yeah, this one looks so gorgeous and pretty, and just looks like a really snuggly throw. So they were all the bargain buys that I got from my Cherryz order this time round. Again, you can use my code on screen if you're a new shopper with Cherryz, and can use this on their app, and they'll kindly give you a discount on your first order. I have literally got so many goodies in this box I'm so happy with and can use around the house. Another thing homeware related, I just wanted to show you my new and first Hoover purchase, which I got from Facebook Marketplace, which again is a bargain buy, which I thought was so good to share. So always look on your Facebook Marketplace for like, not just Hoovers, but for any furniture if you're like a new homeowner or you just want to get some bargain buys. This is the Dyson DC30. The seller actually did want to sell their V7 or V6 animal, like the pink one. So I really like that as well, and it was like amazing bargain. This was £40, and normally these Dyson DC30s are like in the 200 range, and the other Hoover was £80. But I thought I wouldn't invest in that Hoover, well not invest, I wouldn't buy that Hoover at a lower price just in case it does break down on me, and then I would have to like buy another one. So I thought I would, when it comes down to the time, buy a Hoover like outright. I know Hoovers these days, to get a really good Hoover, I feel like you have to take out a mortgage, but it was really, really good to think about that in longevity, that it will have the cover on it. So this one I wasn't too hesitant to buy because it's a small handheld Hoover and I could just use it in the car. So yeah, it's the Dyson DC30, and in the box you of course get the Dyson DC30, which I have cleaned out. I've cleaned out the filter, I've cleaned out the bottom, and I gave it like a really big deep clean, just so it's all brand new for me. And you've got a little latch here to get rid of all your dust and everything, and then the filter's inside. So yeah, this is a really, really good bargain buy off Facebook Marketplace. It was £40, and they're usually like in the 200 range. It comes with everything. It comes with the manual and the attachment. I just thought I'd show you because it's, you know, exciting. So you get this first attachment here, which you can adjust to have the sort of fluffy end as well for carpets. Works really, really well. So with this, it does have only like 6 minutes of vacuum time, but it's plenty if you're just vacuuming your car or just around the house. That's 6 minutes of fast and powerful suction, but I think it does last a lot longer than that. And then you have this one just for like down the inside of your car. I think it basically is a car Hoover in my opinion. So yeah, 2 contraptions, and you get the charger as well. I thought it was a really, really good buy. So I thought it was really, really exciting to show you my new Dyson Hoover, my first Dyson Hoover. Going to Hoover around the house now with my tiny Hoover. No, I'm going to literally use it for car, or like if I've just got like bits around my makeup vanity area that need hoovering like ASAP. It's really, really handy just for like crumbs in the kitchen. I know that's a bit lazy, you could just get a wipe, you could just get a wet cloth on crumbs, but if the crumbs are big, or when you accidentally open the cereal cupboard and cereal falls out. This Hoover is going to be so good for that. So yeah, I just picked up this from Facebook Marketplace. It literally says runtime 6 minutes, high consistent suction, no loss of suction, recharges 3 times faster than others, and the hygienic bin is emptying. I don't know why it says that on there. But yeah, it's really, really nice as well. Like the design, it's like a nice white design, which I think was really, really cute. So yeah, that was just my exciting Hoover purchase, which I thought I'd show you as well. So that is everything in today's homeware haul and sort of essential buys, bargain buys. I'm really excited to pop all these products in my home now in their little areas. And thank you so much to Cherryz for kindly gifting me these products. Definitely go check out Cherryz if you're obsessed with homeware pieces and watching what other people get in their cleaning essentials list. Go check out their app and their website and you'll get them all directly shipped to your door. So thank you so much to Cherryz, and thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, please smash it a big thumbs up. It helps out my channel loads. And my next video that you'll be seeing is a vlog, again just going after my goals and everything I've set out for the start of this year. Or I'll do another episode of sort of like my fitness journey with what I eat in a day. I think that's my plans for my next video. So I'm really excited to see you then, and I hope you all are having a lovely week. Bye everyone!
Someday soon I'm gonna make it.